Hey yo, it's your boy. Contrary to the KIDD, it's the kid, baby. You already know what it is. I'm back with another video. I'm in nature, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here, I'm living, you feel me? So today's video, I'm going to be having a cash giveaway. I'm announcing it, you feel me, at the end of this video. So if you don't care about my little update, you don't care about the knowledge, you know what I'm saying, you can go to the end of the video and see how to get into that cash giveaway. But it's going to be for my people who support me anyway. So if you don't support me, you know what I'm saying, you ain't going to be able to meet the requirements to get the money anyway. It's going to be a $200 cash giveaway, you know what I'm saying, celebrating me making it to 500 subscribers, which is going to be real soon. So when that mark hit, you know what I'm saying, that money going out. So it is what it is, you know what I'm saying. So, all right. But regardless of that, let's get into the video, okay? Today's video, I'm gonna be updating y'all about what's been going on recently, you feel me? My mind is where I've been at. I ain't uploaded in a couple weeks, you know what I'm saying? 2 or 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Where is Contrary? Where my boy at? I'm right here. I'm right here, you see me? You feel me? I've been getting my sun. I've been meditating. You've been taking care of yourself. You've been getting your sun. You've been grounded, nigga. You've been getting your vitamins, nigga. You've been doing what you're supposed to do. You feel me? You've been elevating your consciousness and your mind and making sure that you fulfilling your purpose on the planet. You've been connecting to the source. I've been doing that, you know what I'm saying? I was a little disconnected for a little second, but I'm back in it. You feel me? All right. Okay, so where I'm at right now. So in my personal life, I'm going through a very transitional and transformative state right now, right? So I'm going to be relocating. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna be relocating real soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna be getting a different job. I'm finna get my money on a more optimal timeline. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be speaking more. You feel me? See, today, is y'all seeing angel numbers? I see angel numbers all the time for years. You feel me? Angel numbers is in repeated numbers that y'all keep seeing. Most recently, I keep seeing 5s and 7s everywhere. 555, 555, 5, 55555, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I keep getting those. You feel me? I'm gonna look more into that. But if you don't know what angel numbers is, and you seeing repeated numbers, it's basically, you got to understand that the world is synchronistic. The world works in numbers, and your physical reality is just, I mean, it could be seen as numbers, you feel me, at a certain perspective. So you got to understand that source consciousness, which is God or Yah, and your spirit guides or your angels communicate with you through feelings, you know, through vibrations and through numbers. You get what I'm saying? So if you're getting those numbers, you should look up angel numbers. You should look up the numbers that you're seeing. And, you know, numbers vibrate on different levels. It's not, you know, the first thing you look up, you know what I'm saying? So if you're looking up something that don't resonate with you, it's probably not it. It'll be different. It'll give you different vibrations and different understandings of why you keep seeing these numbers. And, you know, when you look through it, whatever resonates with you, whatever is facts for you, you know what I'm saying, in your reality, that's probably it. You know what I'm saying? Your angel's trying to tell you something as you listening. You feel me? As you communicating, as you receiving the message. Anyway, where I've been at, man. Working out this whole relocation thing, okay? Working out, you know what I'm saying, being in the friendships and relationships that I'm in right now. Working on myself, you feel me? For a little bit, I was feeling some type of way that I'm relocating, okay? I was feeling some type of way, so I went into a little stink, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes you got to get some good energy, you know what I'm saying, to get your energy, you know what I'm saying, renewed and jolted up. So that's where I'm at right now. Today I seen some angel numbers. I seen, well, obviously I just told you that, but I was at work earlier, right? And I seen the angel number 666 in 2 different places in front of my eyes, right? And the vibration that 666 resonates on is the vibration of you not doing what you're supposed to be doing, right? And I'm working, I'm doing my little work, I'm finishing up my day, and I see these, and I know them, you know, for a fact, what that resonates on. That's very easy, you know what I'm saying? You ain't supposed to be doing whatever you're doing, or whatever you're thinking about, or it's something along the lines of, you know, slightly before or slightly after you see these numbers 666 and you see it repeated, because I've seen it twice and, you know, one visual. Whatever you think about, whatever you're doing, whatever you were about to think about, you know what I'm saying, it has something to do with that, right? And I came to the realization, like, what am I doing? Like, I'm not this job, you feel me? What I am, I'm a speaker and I'm a teacher, so I need to be speaking, and I need to be teaching, I need to be putting my majority of my energy into fulfilling my purpose instead of fulfilling somebody else's purpose, which is working for this job, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not fulfilling your purpose, here is me telling you right now, you need to get on your stuff, man. You ain't doing it the right way, you feel me? This is what came to me, right? Right after I came to that, you know what I'm saying, realization, boom, nigga get sent $500. I'm telling you, God to take care of you. All you gotta do is have your consciousness in the right place, bro. Nigga, God, you know what I'm saying, was like, oh, you finally get it? You understand what you're supposed to be doing? Let me help you out. Let me tell you this $500. Don't even worry about work right now. You know what I'm saying? For a little second, I need you to focus on what you need to be focusing on. So I'm back. I'm back in it, you know what I'm saying? After I got that understanding, I need to be focusing majority on my energy on fulfilling my purpose. It seems like everybody around me just got their damn mind right, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? The people I'm around doing what I need them to do. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing, you know what I'm saying? For me, at least, you know what I'm saying? How we interacting and having our exchange of energy. It's looking real, you know what I'm saying? It's looking more beautiful. It's looking like the world is in my favor. Got into a real bad argument recently, and I couldn't go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I was up to like 3, 4 in the morning, tossing and turning, and then I had to remember. So you know what I'm saying? If you're having trouble sleeping, you're probably going through what I went through, which was overthinking whatever. You know what I'm saying? I had an argument, so I was overthinking the argument, what the argument was about, what the results of the argument was, and stuff like that. And you're probably overthinking. That's probably why you're having problems sleeping, right? So what you need to do is just lay back. You need to meditate. Let me tell you about my experience real quick when I meditated during this time. I'm not going to go into deep into the visualizations. I'm just going to give you what I got from the experience of meditating within only like 5, 10 minutes. 5, 10, 15 minutes. It wasn't nothing. You know what I'm saying? You're going to sleep anyway. Just lay back, dude. Focus on your breathing. Have an intention of what you're meditating on. I told myself I'm meditating for peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? And what I got from my experience communicating with source in my visualization, it was with the sun. It was, one, dude, you don't need to be worried about nothing. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. The world is the way it has to be for it to become what it has to become. Boom. That's one. 2, dude, you got to understand that the world is in your favor. This is the, you know what I'm saying, my experience. The world is in your favor, bro. Ain't no reason to fuss or be frustrated or none of this or overthink this. The world is in your favor. So after understanding that everything is the way it has to be for the way it has to become, and that the world is in your favor and everything happens for you and not to you, you know what I'm saying, for you to become who you need to become, that gave me peace of mind. So my meditation was successful. You know what I'm saying? If you reach this channel, man, I need you to like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I need you to I want to congratulate you, because if you vibrated on my frequency, that means, or you know what I'm saying, you made it to this video, you made it to this channel. I want to congratulate you on your spiritual journey, because you are clearly on a spiritual journey if you found me. You know what I'm saying? I hope you're doing good. I hope you have a good look with your spiritual journey. I hope you elevating your mind and understanding. You know, there's a lot of interesting things on this journey. You know what I'm saying? Just science in general, dimensions, understanding how we are connected, understanding that when you're interacting with people on a higher level, you interacting with yourself, you interacting with your perspective of this person, and you interacting with this perspective of nature, and it's all you. You know what I'm saying? So you can't really be too mad. You know, you are given obstacles to jump over them. You know what I'm saying? You ain't just here. You ain't just here for no reason. If you think you're here for no reason, I don't even know how you found me. Maybe to learn that you're here for a reason, you need to be fulfilling your purpose, regardless. So, you know what I'm saying? I went through that. I'm going through the relocation. I'm going through, you know, dealing with people in my life. Man, trying to relax, because you know what I'm saying, a little bit before my little 2-3 week break, I was uploading a whole lot. I was exercising a whole lot. You can literally go and see what was going on with me, because I had went through a spiritual detox. You need to go look at my spiritual detox videos, because it completely changed my life. I rid myself of all my addictions. I used to be addicted to smoking weed. I used to be addicted to letting my you know, ejaculating a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to be doing that too much. You don't need to be doing that every day, every other day. You need to be giving yourselves breaks in between, because you want to hold your energy. You'll have more energy. You'll have more creative energy. And I realized after my little 30 days of my spiritual detox, what did I do? Detox myself from negative people and negative situations. Detox myself from marijuana. Detox myself from you know what I'm saying? I was practicing semen retention. So that completely changed my life. Not addicted to nothing no more. What I am addicted to actually is my phone. I need to get off my phone so much. I need to stop receiving so much energy and put out more energy. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. Spiritual detox. Yeah. What was I saying? My spiritual detox changed my life. You need to go ahead and practice that. Go see how it changed my life. I got to working out. You know what I'm saying? I was doing basically everything I was supposed to be doing, but it became exhausting when I broke my detox. That's what it became. It was perfect until I broke my detox. Now I don't smoke at all. My lungs are stinking me. You feel me? But I take an edible. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 4 to 6 times a month now. I don't really be getting high like that. But every so now and then, you know what I'm saying, want to relax. Ain't going to work. You know what I'm saying? Got what I got. You know what I'm saying? I make a list. Get my agendas done for the day. Just like drop my edible. You know what I'm saying? I be up there. My whole body be floating. Better than ain't no better than, you know what I'm saying? It'll raise your consciousness if you don't get high like that. Like if you get high every day, it kind of the psychedelic effect of marijuana, because it does have a psychedelic effect. wears off. But if you don't really do it like that, you get to looking at it like damn, your creativity be, man, I'm telling you, bro. Anyways, that's where I am right now. That's what's going on. After I broke my detox, oh yeah, then I started having sex a whole bunch. Like, bro. I'm telling you, G, I went, what, around 30 days, I probably broke my semen retention maybe 4 or 5 times. But still, I achieved what I needed to get done for me, you know what I'm saying? And then I broke my detox, and I started going crazy. I started dropping the edibles, you know what I'm saying? I sip a little bit here and there. I don't drink, but, you know, occasionally I might pick up a little something. I don't get drunk, you know what I'm saying? I might, you know, be daisy a little bit. But I don't do too much, you feel me? But once I started breaking my spiritual detox, man, I just got real exhausted. I had to take a break. Started laying down way too much. Started just being on my phone. Started to, you know what I'm saying? It just went unhealthy. You feel me? My man, bad news from friends affected me more. You know, all of that stuff. You got to be real conscious and aware of how you interacting with the world, and how, you know what I'm saying, your energy is affected by interacting with your environment and interacting with people in your life. So here I am. I'm back in attack. You know what I'm saying? It's the kid, baby. I'm back. I'm finna be dropping videos. Now I got a upload schedule now. You feel me? I'm finna be more dedicated to fulfilling my purpose. I'm finna be uploading Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, some here and there in between, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be dropping my spiritual gems. Finna be dropping more videos on celebrities. My next person that I'm finna drop video on, let me give you a hint. Top shotter, daughter. You know, I talk about top shotter, daughter. You feel me? Yeah, bro, waking up. You feel me? I gotta put some of his information out there. Top shotter, daughter. Go, you finna get that info. You finna get that. But yeah, that's coming soon, real soon. It's probably gonna run up some views, cause man, something wrong with y'all. Y'all idolize celebrities way too much. I can say something, and then if a celebrity say something, y'all gonna listen to the celebrity before y'all listen to me, because y'all, it's something called idolatry, where you look at another human being higher than being a human being, and you put them on a pedestal because of their entertainment or what you feel that they've done for you, even though they wasn't specifically doing it for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a little weird, y'all. Stop idolizing people so much. But you know, if y'all gonna idolize them, then I'll use it. I'll turn y'all idolization into something good. You feel me? So that's what's gonna get y'all to come and listen to the word. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Nipsey Hussle video done went over 25,000. Like, man, y'all really be looking up to these celebrities, man. But it's all good. we gonna flip it. We gonna flip it and reverse it, bro. Anyways, that was my little update. Now, boom. Let me get into this cash giveaway. I am stoked. Probably people, no, it ain't nobody around. It's cool. Just so y'all know, you know, being in the world, being yourself, truly, you know what I'm saying, or being an angel in the world full of demons, people gonna look at you crazy. People gonna think you weird. People gonna think, don't let nobody ever stop you from doing you and being yourself, bro. Be you to the best of your abilities. And the most attractive thing is just doing you. Literally, doing you. Like, fuck what everybody else got to think or say about you. You know what I'm saying? If they looking at you crazy, fuck them. Literally, fuck them. Because, nigga, they in your world. You in their world, but they in your world, damn it. So you gonna do what you wanna do, okay? Don't all that anxiety and all that feeling weird and strange. Nigga, when you pass and you transition from this life to the next life, or you go to sleep and you in your dream world, where's these people? When you hungry, where is they at? You feel me? When you gotta support your family or whatever, what they not doing shit for you, boy. So fuck them, literally, fuck them. Do you, bro. So with that being said, boom, cash giveaway. All right, giving away $200. You know what I'm saying? Last time we had 100 subscribers, I gave out $100 to one person. This time we're giving out $200. We got 3 winners. We got one person who get $100. We're gonna get the second person who get 75. We're gonna get the third person who get 25. And how we gonna do this is we're gonna do it by points, okay? So this is the point system, right? First of all, you gotta subscribe and you gotta comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Just to be entered. That's not even a point. That's just to be entered. You gotta comment down below. What you gotta comment down below? You gotta comment, and this is gonna be on every video until I hit 500, which I'm real close to. So it ain't gonna be tomorrow. You feel me? Until I get to 500. Comment. You're gonna be commenting down on every video. What you're gonna comment down is you're gonna comment something about the video, and then you're gonna put your cash app, okay? Or your PayPal if you ain't got cash app, but nigga, get a cash app. Just make things a lot easier. Yeah, just get a cash app. If you ain't got a cash app, I don't know what you want, bro. Capping, big capping. You feel me? You know how much money I done got? It ain't even about that. Anyways, listen. This is how the point's gonna go, bro. You're gonna comment down something about the video after you done subscribe to the channel, and you're gonna have your Cash App at the end of your comment, right? And that's how you enter. That's how I know. And I need you to do that on every video that you watch after this, so I can see who still entered. You feel me? If you not continuously you know what I'm saying, commenting in the comment below on the video, and you're not putting your Cash App at the end, I'm just gonna assume that you're not entered no more. You ain't that interested. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck this money. It's all good. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't trying to continuously support the kid, bye. It is what it is. You feel me? But for my true supporters, they shouldn't have no issue coming down below the video, dropping a comment and dropping the Cash App. Okay, that's how you stay entered. All right, until I hit 500. All right. Now, secondly, what you need to do, you need to like the video, man. That's one point. Okay, you need to like the video, and you share the video to one person. That's one point. Okay. Now, if you share the video to a platform, Facebook, Twitter, you know what I'm saying, whatever platform you got, that's 2 points. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, you can really, I ain't gonna tell you how to how to even do that. You feel me? Do it how you do it. But yeah, so that's the point system right there. And how I'm gonna know if you shared it or if you liked it, I'm gonna need you to screenshot you liking it and sharing it to my Contrary Thoughts page on I'm gonna put it in the comments so you can look at exactly where to go to on Facebook. On Facebook, I got my Contrary Thoughts page. You can send it to my messages and screenshot it and show me that you are sharing the videos and that you are liking the videos. And you know what I'm saying, you're getting more points. See, the last giveaway was kind of like a raffle. This one, you know what I'm saying, yo, you got to put it in the work. You feel me? The most, you know what I'm saying, most points you get, the higher on the scale you get. And there's 3 people who win the money. You got a chance to win 100, you got a chance to win 75, and you got a chance to win 25. So go ahead and do that. If you ain't got no Facebook, bro, you can go to my Contrary Sounds on Instagram. One word, Contrary Sounds, the way it's spelled down here on YouTube, but one word on Instagram. Go ahead, go there, inbox me the screenshots. Go ahead, do that. With that being said, man, I love y'all. I think that's all I want to say, man. That was the update. That was the cash giveaway. I'm going to be explaining the cash giveaway on every video from this point, and I'm gonna have people come back to this video to enter. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Gotta be entered on the first video, and then after this, stay entered by commenting something and leaving your Cash out. Like the video, screenshot it to me, share the video, screenshot it to me, get your points, and then I'm gonna find out who the top 3 people is. Then y'all finna get this bread, you know what I'm saying? And then once I get to 500, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna get to 1,000. Like nothing, you feel me? Then once I get to 1,000, best believe I'm doing another giveaway, and there's gonna be more money than $200. I'm gonna actually be able to show some love the way I want to show some love. But this is what I got for y'all today, okay? So it is what it is. I love y'all so much. Thank you for viewing this. Man, yeah, I really appreciate y'all. I'm back, and I'm just appreciative to God and very grateful that I have this ability to speak to y'all through this cell phone, speak to y'all through the internet, and that I have people to receive my message. So let's spread the light, baby. Yeah. Love, peace. Bye.